So what I got here is one of those Adorama camera bundled kits. So this particular one is around $900. I think it might have been even $1,000. Now the way it comes in here is I pick the bundle with the tripod. So this tripod gets mailed separately, and then there's like this huge box. So let me just show you the unboxing here really quickly of the tripod itself. So this is the tripod, and I'll go into detail a little bit later, but let me go ahead and show you the box itself. So here's the box, and this is a pretty big box. I mean, it's about 18 inches by like 20 inches. So let me go ahead and unbox this, and you can see right there, it has in big bold letters, Adorama. So these are, very common kits that Adorama sells as a bundle, lots of times along with their camera. And just like me, I was wondering, should I really buy the bundle, or should I just buy the camera and then, buy the bundle or the accessories separately? Well, it's almost always the case where, buying the bundle saves you about like 15% or so. So let me go ahead, open this up and show you what's in the bundle. So that is all the stuff that it comes with. And here's my Lumix camera. So I'm really thrilled about this Lumix camera here, which is still a very decent camera, the Lumix G. And then, the cleaning kit here. So actually, let me go ahead and, make this a little bit more organized, because, once you have this here, let's see, there's this camera case. But, alright, let me go ahead, move this aside, and I'll take each one of these out at a time. So I got here the big thing, which is my 4K Lumix camera, Panasonic. You can see this is the 4K DMC G85M. So put this aside. This is the camera case. This is a blower, optics blower. And here is a 64 gig SD card, Pro SD card. Put this aside. This is a USB, so this is like the adapter for the SD card. Extra battery. And what is this? This is the lens filter kit. So lens filter. This is the universal charger with an LCD screen. And what's this? Gift creativity. This is the battery pack. Like, I got another extra battery pack. And no idea what this is. I'll have to open it. And finally, this is a memory card wallet. So I got over basically 10 additional things here, along with the camera. Here. So, and I'll show you a list of the stuff I got, just so you could see, in case some of these items are basically common across any type of camera that you're getting. So you might want to get an idea. So I also have here basically this itself. So that is it. And let me actually go in here and like open up each one of these. So let me go ahead and show you that. So I unpacked all this, and there's about 12 things in this bundle. So in case you have this bundle, I'm going to try to go into a little bit more detail, or maybe even some of the accessories in this bundle. So I do have 12 things in here, and a lot of them are pretty standard, like the batteries and the chargers. So I really want to go through like this bag. So this bag fits all of these things. It's in pretty decent size. So the camera, all of these battery packs, obviously, except for this tripod. So if I include the tripod, there's about 13 things that comes with this. So the 13 things is this Tacoma, so a tripod, this Slinger camera case, my Lumix camera, DMC G85M, and then this kind of ear puffer camera kit, the charging base, an extra universal charging base, 2 battery packs, the adapter, the SD adapter, the SD card, and then like the memory card wallets, and then like a lot of the optics here. Like this particular one is the optics. So let me go ahead and actually show you the bag, because I was wondering about the bag. All right, is the bag going to fit all this stuff? You know, is it good enough? So this bag is fairly compact. I would say it's about, so let me show you the measurements really quickly. So I have the measurements here, and the measurements about 8 inches across. Tall wise, it's also about 8 inches. Depth wise, it's 5.5 inches. Now there is a small zipper here. So this zipper out in the front is usually where you're going to fit like a lot of the smaller, thinner accessories. So there's 2 pouches inside here, and then this thing does go all the way down to the bottom. So it's very deep, but it's stuff that you would want to reach easily, and this doesn't expand out too far, you know, so you're going to have, you know, some thin stuff. Now there is 2 double zippers here for the main lid, but before I do that, there's a side pouch here, there's a side pouch on the side, and then there's a back pouch here. So this particular one is the Slinger Alpine 160, so just keep that in mind. This is the SL Alpine 160, so the Slinger Alpine 160. And if I open it up, so I did mention there's like 2 zippers. So inside the zipper, I hate to say it, it's kind of like a lunch bag. You know, so just to zoom out again, see how it is. Now on the lid, there's another pouch. So there's a lot of accessory holding sides, you know, especially the zipper sides. It's a zipper in here. Now in here, there's 3 compartments, and the 3 compartments are divided based on this Velcro, and then this is also adjustable. So all 3 of these compartments are pretty adjustable. Usually people put the camera in the middle so that there's, you know, a good protection and cushion. So that's what I'll be doing. And then, you know, you could sit stuff in the top here. Like some of these bigger accessories may be, you know, that blower, or, you know, who knows what. Or an extra camera. I have a point and shoot camera. So, and then there's also, you know, these straps on the side. You know, strap. So it is your, you know, fairly basic, but the point that I was trying to make is on a budget, it does hold all of the, you know, camera accessories. I'll skip this unboxing because there's plenty on the internet, but also this camera is a little bit outdated, but it was a cheaper 4K Panasonic, you know, 4K camera that I could afford. You know, battery pack wise, you know, I guess just to zoom in, this extra battery pack. So I actually opened this one, and so it's one of the ones that they offer that's like a generic. So I'm gonna have like 3 batteries now for this, so I could charge it with this, and I could also charge it with this, you know, universal charger. So let me just open this up and show you. So this universal charger here. That was a cigarette lighter. So this does have a meter, and I guess it has, you know, I hope it's not just charging via the cigarette lighter, which is kind of weird. When am I going to get a cigarette lighter? I'm going to charge in my car all the time. So apparently, so this is one of the disadvantages of this is, oh wait, so there it is. Oh, thank goodness. Yeah, so this is an awesome feature. So don't panic when you see this. You know, this scoots out here, and you could just plug it into the outlet. Thank goodness. Otherwise, there's an adapter here for your cigarette lighter, car charger thing here. And so this is by Green Extreme. So this is a very typical sort of generic brand that Adorama has. Green Extreme. And then here's an extra battery pack. So if I open this up, just an extra battery here. So it's the same as the one I have over here. So it's the same one. So I'm going to have 3 of them. Plenty of charging. Lasts me for probably 2-3 years. 64 gig Extreme Pro. And this is a full-size SD card. The wallet. And the adapter. And then this puffer. Optical cleaner. This does actually come with a case, so I guess the good thing is this fits. You know, it fits nicely. And then here comes the optics. So let's face it, this is kind of like a cheap, I don't want to say cheap, I'm going to say, I'm not sure, put this like basic, you know, the basic stuff. So here's all the optics for my lenses, filters. Comes with a nice case, so that's good. Pro Optics, 58mm. And if you want more detail in any on one of these, leave a comment and I will give you more detail in another video or something like that. But you know, really quickly, that's really what I wanted to show here, and I hope this helps. And please subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.